Alright everyone, so this is your breakup help. Your relationship is divided in relationship time and stories told by the brain. Stories told to the brain because you are the one telling the stories. Along the relationship, no matter how many years it goes, you tell the story. How we met was so special. We have matching star signs. We both had similar past experiences. He or she is my twin flame.
You complete me.
We both have the same belief systems, maybe religion. So he or she is the one, and we will be getting married, and I hope they will never leave me. These belief systems go into your brain, right? Not the brain does this. You feed these stories to your brain, and your brain is your best friend and says, okay, yes, I understand. This person is so important to you. I will make sure I accept all of these belief systems, and the protection is activated like in Spider-Man.
Activating instant kill.
No. I don't want to kill anybody.
Deactivating instant kill.
Okay? When the breakup comes, the brain goes crazy in protection mode.
Activating instant kill.
What it does, it feeds you a lot of anxiety and heartbreak and sadness for you to react. It's important that you react. The brain wants you to react because you fed them that this is so important. So it tries to make you react with whatever thoughts or emotions. Now you try to find the relief by either go check the Instagram stories of that person, try to find a way how to get back together with that person, talking to friends to get relief. All your brain cares about is that sense of relief because you told them how important it is. Now the problem is that relief, because that relief actually tells the brain this is still important to him or her, so let me give him or her more anxiety, more sadness, more heartbreak, more of those things, because the brain's only purpose is for you to react. So it will feed you that, and the problem is you think, because you identify with the brain, that this is you. That's why it can take very long for a heartbreak to go away, because you believe these stories, the brain adapted these stories, and now you try to get that relief. By you trying to get that relief, you tell the brain this is still important. So it shoots more anxiety and heartbreak to you. The next video, I will tell you guys how to get over that heartbreak fast.